Hello, viewers and fellow explorers. Welcome to our next part of our journey through the spiritual lands of Rameshwaram. On this channel, we share travel experiences blended with the touch of history and culture from every place we visit. If you enjoy exploring with us, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more incredible stories and destinations. On the way, there is New Pambam Bridge. This bridge in India is the longest railway bridge built over the sea. Here is the front, you can see the bridge that connects to Rameshwaram. Don't miss or hesitate to get down here and take a walk to witness this scenic views yourself. Alongside Varanasi, it is regarded as one of the most sacred sites for Hindus and forms an essential part of Char Dham pilgrimage yatra. The Rameshwaram municipality was established in 1994. The roads are well maintained for vehicles. You can take a bus or auto or a private bus. Stay in a hotel or a dharamshala. From some, the entry is very closer. The non-AC room starts from 600 rupees and can go up to 1200 rupees on the peak of season depending on the prices increases. Hotels, lodges, dharamshalas and guest houses are available as per the travelers' requirements, located at varying distances. Taxis and government buses are available. Keep cash and change in case of UPI is not available or online payment is not available. Once in Rameshwaram town, compact with nature, allows easy exploration. Auto rickshaws and taxis are readily available in local commutes with the fare starting from 50 rupees. Shared and booked jeeps, buses operate regularly when visiting distant sites. You can also go to Kothandarama Swami temple, which is near Dhanuskoti, and don't miss to go to Gandhmanna Parvatam. Now list must visit attractions in the temple starting from the 22 Tirthams sacred ponds, wells, and early morning Mani Darshan, Sita Ma Darshan, and the darshan of many other deities and their shrines. The other attraction in the temple is the longest pillared corridor in the intricate carvings, engraved arts and old pictures of Lord Rama and Shiva. The old photos and pictures of Lord Rama and Ma Sita inside the temple will remind you about the origins of Jyotirlingam and Vishwalingam and the origin of the temple. Bhajanas and Kirtanas are organized before Aarti and Puja of every god shrine. People usually visit temples to seek blessing on every day. If planning the Nagmani Darshan, it is a special early morning ritual. It involves witnessing the crystal mani shaped like Shivlinga, believed to be the gem of Sheshnag. After the time slot of each morning, this darshan typically happens between 4 am to 5 am. Hindu scriptures recommend bathing in Agni Tirtham to attain purity, or you can attain purity also by taking bath from the sacred wells water of 22 Tirthams. There are many things to see and do, such as visiting temples of historical claims related to Ramayana, which are interest to studies in religions and anthropology. It is also one of the 12 Jyotirlingams of Shiva, and a lingam was made by Sita to be worshipped by Ram. One of my most favorite places to visit in the whole India is Ramanatha Swami Temple, Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. The vibrant town of Rameshwaram is an example of India's rich heritage, not only in terms of history, but also in terms of spirituality and architecture. According to Hindu legend, there was a stone bridge built by Lord Rama connecting to Rameshwaram and Lanka. There is more to uncover in mystical lands of Rameshwaram. Make sure to watch the other parts of this video to complete your tour and guide of your Rameshwaram trip. Till that, take care and thanks for watching.